All right, ladies and gentlemen, how would you guys like to see Kevin Harvick do a guitar slide?
With a generous donation.
Yeah, that's right, we're going to do that. Ladies and gentlemen, we're very quickly going to introduce Wally to Smart Club. Now, I understand that Kevin's slide will go for charity. Tell me about that.
Yeah, Kevin opened his big mouth, and I challenge him, so we'll see if he comes through. But I will give him his foundation, the Kevin Harvick Foundation, which does a wonderful thing for underprivileged children. $5,000. If he goes, does the Rick Dempsey home to first to second to third, and slides,